All right, now we're going to lighten things up. River City Live's Eden Kendall is living life here in Orange Park this morning.
I'll say.
I think I want to trade spots.
I know, man. You got the gig here this morning. You have there's a spa day at Pura Vida Day Spa.
Yes. Picking the spa day, I spun the wheel, I landed on spa day, and I am so grateful. So one of the things that makes this such a great community is the way that everyone comes together to support small businesses. Julie Davis is the founder of Pura Vida Day Spa and Med Spa, and with 2 locations. Congratulations on that. And we've talked about you wanting to support other business owners in the community. It's always lovely to support women business owners. Let's talk about your neighbors, your friends and neighbors that visit you here.
Yeah, so I think Clay County's been so good to us over the years. When we moved here and started our business, there really wasn't anyone else offering these types of services. So we were welcomed very warmly by our community. And we've been serving this community for 7 years, both helping to collaborate with other women-owned businesses we love to partner with, but all businesses, and but also our community of clients and patients that come to see us here.
There has never been a better time to think about self-care. And you know, it sounds like a luxury, but there are also a lot of elements to what goes into this that really helps you look better, feel younger, feel healthier. Let's talk about the salt room. This is something called halotherapy. I had heard of salt rooms, but this is the legit way you can actually even clear your sinuses out. Tell us about it.
Yeah, so we love offering salt therapy. It's a great way to get in our salt spa and relax, but more importantly, every time you're in our salt spa, you're actually getting a treatment. Salt is a natural antibacterial. It's a natural anti-inflammatory. So anything going on in the respiratory tract, from your sinuses to your chest, sinusitis, allergies, which we have tons of in Florida, all those kinds of things are treated therapeutically to relieve your symptoms using salt therapy, and it's totally natural.
I love this, and I think this very well could be, and this is not based on anything other than what I've heard and seen, one of the only rooms like this that are legitimately like this within the area. And of course, we can't forget massages and facials and spa days and gift cards. So right now, before we say goodbye, let's tell everybody about gift cards, because Valentine's Day and Galentine's Day is coming up.
Yeah. So to all the men out there, our women really do enjoy having a spa day. It's a great time to do a little self-care, relax, take care of your skin. We typically will do like a massage and a facial and a salt room session or an infrared sauna. And then we always pair that with a beautiful homemade charcuterie board and an adult beverage or a regular beverage of their choice. And it's just a great way for Valentine's girls to treat themselves and for guys to treat their ladies.
Okay, so everyone raise your hand if that's something you would love to receive on any holiday, let alone Valentine's Day. Julie, thank you for being a part of this community, for caring so deeply about your neighborhood, and for giving us a tour of Pura Vida with 2 locations. Thanks.
Thank you.
We'll send it back to you guys. We'll be back with more For Your Neighborhood.